Hello everyone and welcome to a new Gate.io tutorial. In this video, we are going to see that how you can sign up Gate.io. First, you need to go to the website of Gate. Be sure that you're going to see the actual website of Gate.io. In the main page, you're going to see a button like this. When you click that button, you're going to be directed to a page similar to this one. In this page, please first select your country. In my case, that will be the Turkey. After that, you should choose a username. For example, let's say that trialgate25. After that, type in your email. I'm just going to type in my email. After that, please select a password, but be sure that your password is appropriate according to these rules. In my case, I will choose a password that I can remember. Seems clear. Then just click on to I certify that I'm 18 years of age or older, and then click on the button which is named Next. After that, you're going to be directed to a page similar to this one. In this page, you see font password. You should choose a font password in order to increase the security of your account. I will type in another password that I can remember. After that, just click on Create Account and verify the puzzle that you will be faced with. As you can see, there is a pop-up like this. It says that account has been created successfully. Registration email sent. Please check your email to complete the registration process. As you can see, you're going to be faced with your email right here. There is a note in there. If you do not receive a registration email, please check your spam or junk folder. Email didn't arrive, resend. You can resend just by clicking this resend button. If your email just came into your box, just activate it by clicking on the link that you got from Gate. After clicking onto the link that have been sent to you by Gate, you can enable your account and just log into it from the Gate.io website. When you're logged in, you're going to be faced with a page similar to this one. This is the main page of Gate. You can see your profile right here, and you can see your wallet and orders just in the top right corner. After signing up to Gate, you need to verify KYC. KYC basically means ID verification. With KYC, Gate.io knows that you are a real human other than an AI or something like that. To enable KYC, just click into the KYC title when you just pop up onto this icon on the top right corner. When just click on to the KYC ID verification, you will be faced with this page. In this page, you should click on to verify now under the individual title. When you click enable now, you can see some basic information about yourself. You can fill this information and just enable KYC. For example, first you need to select the country. In my case, it is again Turkey. After that, you should fill in your full name, your identity document type. For example, you can give your national ID just in here by typing in your identity document number and upload some copy of your identification document. After that, you're gonna click on to confirm and submit button. Then after for a while, Gate.io will be in touch